Good morning, this is Mark. I had another dream, and I would like for God to give me teachings like He did before, or give me prophecies like He did before, or give me visions like He did before, but I'm stuck with dreams at the moment. It is, I think, October 11th, 2020, and I had a dream I was in like a garage, like maybe a regular garage, maybe a mechanic's garage, and I was fixing my car, and I had to go to court at 9. And it was a little past 8:30, and I had to get my car fixed so I could go to court. And I knew in the dream I would just absolutely be slaughtered in court. I've been to court maybe 10 times in my life. There were all hearings and never had a jury. One man made the decision for all of my cases, and they were all that I was insane except for one case. One case I was declared sane, and then I went to court again and I was declared insane. And that's the way court works. You get double jeopardy. It's supposed to be against the Constitution, but so is mental institutions are supposed to be against the Constitution. Looking at the Fourth Amendment of the U.S. Constitution, dragging people to court because they're supposed to be insane is against the Constitution. Locking people up is against the Constitution. But I knew I would absolutely lose, but I was trying to get my car working, and there was another guy with me. And he was helping me work on my car. I said, I've got to get to the court by 9 o'clock. Something like that. I said, I have to get to the court. I knew it was at 9 o'clock, and 9 o'clock means the end, or 9. 9 o'clock would represent 9, which means the end. And so, I'd like for this stuff to end. That was basically the dream. I just knew I'd be taken advantage of in court. And there was a man one time. He said, when I was your age, I thought you went to court to get justice. He said, you don't go to court to get justice. You go to court to get screwed. And he said, I didn't know that. He said, I thought you went to court to get justice. He said, there was a guy named Buddy there. I don't know what his real name was, or maybe that was his real name. He said, Buddy, did you know that? Did you know you went to court to get screwed? You didn't go for justice? He said, no, Bert, I didn't know that. Funny, you learn something new every day. He said, the judge knows you're there to get screwed. You're not there for justice. The jury knows you're there to get screwed. If there is a jury, the prosecution knows you're there. The prosecution lawyer knows it. The defense lawyer, your lawyer knows it. Everybody knows you're there to get screwed. Everybody knows you're there to get screwed, but you. You're the only one that doesn't know it. He said, when I was your age, I went to court to get justice. I didn't know I was going to get screwed, and it's true. If you have money, you'll do well in court. Unless you're hated or something. If you are poor or middle class, and somebody that has power or money takes you to court, you're going to get screwed. You have to have power or money to win in court. And I've been to court 10 times, 20 times. And it's always the same verdict except for once. And if you give the verdict of being sane, watch out, because they can pick you up tomorrow or a few hours later, take you to a different judge or take you to the same judge. You can be declared insane. It's very easy. Just people who've been divorced know how court works. then it just doesn't work. All right, that was the dream. It was 8:30, about 8:33 maybe. Interesting number. And 33. It was going on 9. It would be 9. I had to get my car repaired so I could be screwed in court. Okay. Anybody knows an interpretation other than what I'm seeing? Please help me.